Go on, now tell me that there's sound on it.
Oh yeah,
Always
there is.
label side up, because you want to keep your labels on the inside, don't you? You don't want to see them. It don't want to be wearing a label on its head or its feet. Roll it up to the middle, and if necessary, turn it round so you can get to the other end. Roll it to the middle. Over. And then this is the good bit, because when you come to fold it, if you check both ends, you decide which end is going to be the feet. Now they look a bit yucky, don't they? But if you look at that end, they look sort of reasonably even. So that's going to be his feet, right? So fold that one in. Fold that one over top. I usually do it so there's a little gap there. Just so there's a little gap. So that goes like so. That's your band. I'm not even going to try and
stretch each one.
Stretch it twice. I'm just going to leave that one like that. And then put your fingers in there. Pull that bit up. And this is where you have the fun. If they're small elastic bands, you can just sometimes put it round once. If I just do it like that, that should hold, shouldn't it?
You will, that'll hold it.
There's your dog, right? And then now we can... Which are we using for his ears? The black?
Yeah.
Tip them off. This is where you stand up. If you sort of go like that, from the middle of his head down, then it's going to be a bit lower when you put it through, so that should make long enough ears. So move him over, put the two edges together, and then you just go around the bottom. Oops, get out of the way, fingers. It's about the right width. And I just like it to be a bit narrower at the top. There's his ears, one pair of ears. So once you've cut one, then you can just cut little strips off, and then shape one in. Remembering to keep the middle of the ears on the fold, otherwise you end up having to glue his ears in. I know, because I've done it. Cut out loads of ears and then realised I'd cut them the other way. And I had to glue them in, pull them in, pull them up to get them level. And there's his ears. It's halfway there. Oh, you get the scraps. Unless you've got a big punch. Consider I'm not doing this with my reading glasses. We're not doing too bad, are we?
You're right, Papa.
Bit of glue on there for his nose. And a blob there. Come on. I can't see the glue, that's half the job. I'm squeezing it out and I can't really see it.
There is enough on there.
My nose. Oh, there is a fair bit in there. Two eyes. And then I cut a little tongue. Strip. Hook it under there, under the elastics. And then what I usually do is put a bit of glue on it, just to stop it coming out. And then if you're putting collars on, or are you using the ribbons?
Yeah.
Stand up, you little devil. You could put a bow on.
Round his ear.
I'll pull his ear out. Get your ear out. It needs to be a bit wider really, doesn't it? So what's happened here?
That's alright.
Hang on, I've lost him. He's collapsed. Yeah, whatever you put around his neck really wants to be a little bit wider, so come on. Told you the fingers ain't working. Oh, got it, that'll do.
That's alright.
Stand, Fred. There's Fred.